Have you ever been laying in bed at night feeling super motivated to change the way you're living your life, only to wake up midday wondering where all the motivation went? Well, my friends, the struggle is real for all of us, and you're not alone. Here is one simple modification I made that changed my life and how it can change your life as well. When I wanted to start my meditation habit, I would say things like, "Oh, yeah, I'll just remember to do it," or "I'll just do it when I feel like I need it the most." With this approach, I was waiting for the perfect time to install the habit, but right now never seemed convenient enough. While my intentions were great, it wasn't obvious when and where I should take action. I was counting on my motivation in the moment to make the decision. It led me to be very inconsistent and I failed to install the habit. Now, let me share with you the tool I used to finally get the habit to stick. You see, the problem is most of us think that we lack motivation, when what we really lack is clarity. The key here is we must give our habits a home, a time and a space to live in our world. The best way to do this is called implementation intention. Here's the formula. I will specific behavior at specific time in specific location. This is such a powerful tool because you can apply it to almost any area of your life. For example, if you want to start a meditation habit, I will meditate for 1 minute at 5 a.m. in my office. Or an exercise habit, I will walk for 10 minutes at 5:30 p.m. in my neighborhood. A marriage habit, I will get rid of all distractions and spend quality time with my wife at 6 p.m. in the living room. And one more example, parenting. I will do puzzles with my son at 7 p.m. at the kitchen table. As you can see, with our predetermined plan in place, we no longer need to rely on our willpower or motivation to decide if or when we need to take action. With this tool, you will always have a game plan for what to do next. It's like you are pre-committing to become the best version of yourself. If you want to put this idea to action right now, simply pick one area of your life that you want to improve. I suggest that you take a screenshot of this video for reference, or hit the pause button and text the implementation intention formula to a friend so that you will have it for reference later. If you did that, you'll be well on your way to creating a simple set of rules that will guide your future behavior and help you optimize your life. If you like this video and want a more advanced way to use this tool, check out my video called Habit Stacking. I show you how to take advantage of the fact that almost all of our habits are linked together and that we often decide what to do next based on what we just finished doing. Oh, and one more tip. If you're unsure of when to start this habit, try the first day of the week, month, or year. People seem to be more likely to take action on those days. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and I'll see you in the next